Why did the Meta and Manus AI deal become such huge news? Here's the simple explanation beginners can understand. Start by understanding what Manus AI does. Manus became popular because it can automate tasks like research, planning, coding, and workflows with very little human input. Next, Meta wanted Manus because the company is heavily investing in AI agents for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Meta reportedly agreed to buy Manus for around $2 billion to strengthen its AI tools and automation technology. But the story became bigger when China stepped in. Even though Manus moved operations to Singapore, Chinese regulators reportedly blocked or reviewed the acquisition because of concerns about AI technology and national security. This situation showed how important AI agents are becoming. Big tech companies now want AI systems that can actually perform work automatically instead of only chatting with users. Now you know why the Meta and Manus AI acquisition became a major AI industry story involving automation, big tech competition, and government regulation.